In this video, you're going to see what the Group By function can do in Microsoft Excel. Keep in mind that this function is only available to Excel 365 subscribers with the Insiders version. If you have Excel 365 and want to get the Insiders version, it's free to upgrade to. There's a link in the description on how to do this. In this example, we have a dataset of loan records. We're going to use the Group By function to quickly subtotal our loan amount column by our loan type category field. The first input are the fields that we want to categorize our totals by. In this example, that's column C, our loan types. The next input is our value field. Here we'll reference our loan amount column. Next, we indicate the type of aggregation we want to use. We'll go with the sum option. Next, we select our header option. We'll select 3 to indicate that we have them and want to show them. After that, we choose our depth level. Since we only have one grouping, we'll choose option 1 for grand totals only. Next, we indicate our sort column on our output. We'll sort by our first column ascending. Next, we have a filter option. This input works just like the criteria column input of the filter function. We'll filter on anything that is not null in our loan type column. This produces subtotals grouped by our loan types. If we want to add additional subgroupings, we can reference more category columns in the first input. Since the location column is not adjacent to our loan type column, we can nest these 2 column references inside the hstack function for our first input. Now our totals are grouped by location and loan type. Since we now have multiple groupings, we can change our depth to option 2 to include subtotals by each location. Now let's add another value column that includes a count on loan type. For the value input of our formula, we'll insert the hstack function and reference our value column twice. We'll also add an hstack function to our aggregation argument, beginning with a sum function, followed by a count. This produces both a sum and a count by our groupings. Now we'll look at one of the biggest advantages to the Group By function over a pivot table. The Group By will update results automatically each time the source data is edited. We'll add a new loan record for a brand new branch location called the Central Branch. When this edit is made, the Group By function updates automatically to reflect the new branch location. We can easily add a second criteria to the filter argument. For multiple criteria, each condition needs to be enclosed in a set of parentheses and multiplied by each subsequent condition. This converts all true values to their numerical equivalent of 1, and anytime there's a match in both criteria, the result is a value of 1, which is what the function filters on. We'll filter on the West Branch only. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.